Oh my god, this feels weird. Hello guys. I hope you're all well. I haven't been on my YouTube for a couple of months, I think now. This feels really weird talking to a camera. I thought I'd jump on, catch up with you. I feel like I've neglected this channel a little bit. So yeah, I thought I'd come and say hello and sorry for, if you're still here and if you care, sorry for neglecting this channel. With everything that's going on, it's kind of been the last thing on my mind, to be fair. I've had no motivation to do jack shit. So, as I'm sure a lot of people can relate to, lockdown has been hard this time. Third time round, I find it really tough. The first one was fine just because we could get outside, it was summer. And then the second one was fine because we had something to look forward to in Christmas. But this one has just knocked the wind right out of me, if I'm completely honest. But old Bozzers made a plan to get us out of lockdown. The vaccines are rolling out, which is really good. My mum and dad have had their first one, so I'm chuffed about that. They were kind of my main worry. I mean, they're not old, but they're not young either, so I was most concerned about them, and it will make it easier for me to see them now and not worry so much, that kind of thing. What can I catch you up on? I haven't really done anything. I've just literally, I get up every morning, try and force myself to do a workout, and then kind of the rest of the day is like a write-off. Does anybody find that you get to like 2, 3 o'clock and you're just sat around bored? We've done a load of decorating, so we've decorated the spare room, which I'm not sure whether I showed you completed, but that looks really nice. Decorated our bedroom. I love that so much. Built a cupboard under the stairs for coats and shoes. Paul's down the shop, currently like gutting it, renovating the bottom half of the shop. That's about all that's been going on. Dog walking, eating. I feel like all I'm doing is waiting for my next meal. It sounds really bad, but all I think about all the time is food. I've had nothing interesting to film. I cut my hair the other day. It looks really bad. I couldn't cope with it anymore. I had so many split ends. I don't think I did that bad a job. It's made it a bit more blunt. And when it's curled, you can't really tell, so I don't mind. But I gave my hair a trim. I've toned it all so it's not brassy. It was looking disgusting. Since Boris said that hairdressers can go back, I think it's on the 12th of April, I jumped onto my hairdresser's app and booked myself an appointment. I'm not booked in till the 4th of May. That's the soonest appointment I could get. So I can't remember the last time I had my hair cut. I think it was July last year, July 2020. So it's quite a long time. It's grown a fair bit. I mean, it was cut like here. So what else have I done? Cleaning. It's all I seem to do. Clean, eat, exercise, walk the dogs. That's all you can do, isn't it? I got sent a new Hoover, which I'll show you actually. I need to hoover the bedroom, so I'll show you that. It's from a brand called Altenic. I will leave their website in the description box, but I absolutely love it. You don't have to have the hassle of plugging it in. You can just switch it on and go. And having 3 dogs, it's really, really helpful because they just create so much hair. But yeah, I'll show you that in a bit. I've had it for a couple of months now, and I wanted to give it a good test before I share it with you guys. It's a really adult thing to talk about, isn't it, Hoover? But yeah, I really, really like that. I finally started my vintage kind of / second-hand brand. I took it upon myself in lockdown to do something worthwhile, and I've toyed around. I mean, I've sold on Depop for years. Not properly though, just like stuff from my wardrobe and stuff from the charity shops and stuff. And I've toyed with selling vintage and second-hand pieces for, I'm gonna say, years. It's something I've always been into. If you watch my videos way back, you will know that I love going thrifting. I love second-hand clothes. I love vintage shopping. And I just thought in lockdown, I need a little bit of extra money. Just a perfect time to sort through all my vintage clothing, all my second-hand stuff. I sourced a load of second-hand and vintage clothing, so I've started my own kind of like little boutique, I guess, which is my baby. I'm chuffed with it so far. I sold quite a few things. You guys seem to love it on Instagram. It's called From the Ashes. I will link it across the screen and in the description box if you do want to have a little look. I've just been thinking about doing it for years now, and I'm one of those people that think, oh, there's too many people doing it, it's oversaturated, there's no place for me. But then I gave myself a good talking to and I was like, no, just do it. Someone somewhere is always doing the same thing as someone else. So I think that's, if you're a bit like me and you overthink things, that's quite a good thing to remember, that someone is always doing something the same as someone else. And there's always a place for you to kind of do it, do what you want, do what you love. And these are some of the items here. I've kind of had to turn my office into a stock room. So it's absolutely rammed. I've got my dressing table in here because I don't want it in my bedroom. I'm gonna paint it. It's this horrible dark blue colour at the moment because I thought it would be a good idea in lockdown to change it from white to like dark blue, but it wasn't. It was a shit idea. So I'm waiting for some paint to arrive so I can paint that white, and then it's going to go in the spare room. And then this, I'm going to get rid of my desk. Might keep the clothing rail, but I might put it this side. And then we're going to build a desk that kind of is an L shape along this wall and then along this back wall. And then I'm going to have my beauty stuff, hairdryer, all that kind of jazz one end, and then my desk the other end. So it'll free up some space for storage for From the Ashes. It's just such a tiny room. It's so annoying and I've got so much shite. I've been having huge clear outs. I've donated so much. Thankfully, we get like these little bags that are put through the letterbox so you can fill up for like different charities. So I've been doing that with all the clothing that I want to get rid of, because we've had to downsize massively from our old house. I had a whole room. I don't know whether anyone can remember, if you're like an OG subscriber, I had a whole room with a railing for all my clothes. And I've literally had to just get rid of them because I just haven't got room for them. Where was I going with this? Rambling now. Can't remember. Anyway, I've downsized loads in lockdown, just cleared out. I've got so many bags to go to the charity shop, so I'm just hoping they open soon. Is this boring? I'm just like blur. I saw a thing the other day on Instagram that it said the first adult you've seen in a long time, and you just splurge out everything that you've been thinking since like the moment you woke up. That is me doing this video. So yeah, having a massive clear out, starting my little business, trying to stay fit and healthy, and just hoping for better days. And I think there is finally light at the end of the tunnel, isn't there? So yeah, fingers crossed. Oh my god, I've been rambling for 10 minutes. Right, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna do some cleaning today, package some things up I've sold on From the Ashes, and then I might take a walk down to the shop. Before I forget, I will show you, ow, the bedroom. So this is the spare room. It's so nice and pink. I wish it was my room, this one. It's a little bit messy because I still need to get rid of this dressing table and all the crap underneath. But yeah, I love it. It's so cute. These need to go as well. But yeah, eventually I get some bedside tables for in here. If anyone wonders, this colour on the wall is Farrow and Ball Sulking Room Pink. Yeah, I just love the pink and grey together. I think it's really cute. Perfect for Ellie. I think she likes it. Never really too sure, but managed to pick up finally from IKEA. Like, we tried to order these for months and months over Christmas and through lockdown, but we got 2 sets of Pax wardrobes. So we got this one, and then in our newly decorated room we got this one. I absolutely love this room now. We went for another Farrow and Ball colour. This is, oh god, what's it called? Cornforth White? Yeah. And then we've kind of just mirrored what that room is in here. So we got the Pax wardrobes and the shelving. That's separate. That's like a bookcase they sell. But I need to get some wicker baskets to go on there, just because it all looks messy at the moment. And then I'm waiting for a chest of drawers from IKEA to go there in that hole. Got our curtains hung. They're from H&M. But again, I need things to open so I can get these turned up. But I love them. They're like a gorgeous kind of greyish. It's like a mix between grey and beige colour, and they're velvet. They're really, really nice. But until they're hung properly, they just, and taken up, they just look crap. But it'll be fine. And then I bought a sheepskin, well, fake sheepskin rug to go on the floor. That is our bedroom, and I absolutely love it. It's made so much space. Don't know whether you can remember, but we had the wooden built-in wardrobes, which was so like overbearing, and you just woke up and you felt like you were in a caravan. So I'm so glad they're gone. We've done all the bedrooms now. We're gonna have a bit of a switch up in the office, like I said earlier. Bathroom's done. It's just the landing to do and downstairs, but we'll just run out of money, so that won't be happening for a very long time until we can get back to work. This is the new Hoover I was on about. I was kindly gifted this from Altenic. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it was a handheld cordless one, and the colour is really nice as well. It's not like offensive bright blue or anything. So I love it. It's really lightweight. The bin on it is really easy to take on and off and empty as well, and I can empty it into my dustbin indoors. Don't have to keep going out to like the black bin outside to empty it because it's quite small. I'm gonna get my clean on, get the house cleaned, and then I'm gonna go out for a walk. Excuse how full the bin is. I need to empty that. That's literally like 2 days worth in there. That's disgusting. But it picks up, as you can see, so well. Like dog hair, it's amazing on. So yeah, this is the little stand it comes on. It's really handy because it's just like upright, and you can connect this to the power socket, so it charges it when it's on here. You just lift it off like that, and then you've got your source of power, and it charges on here. They really kindly sent me a dog brush as well, which is so cool. I absolutely love this. You just put it on the handheld part, and then you brush your dogs with it, and they are molting so bad, as you can see in there at the moment, so that's really handy. It also comes with a little attachment. This is really good for doing the stairs, like the carpet up the stairs. And then I've got the long nozzle. Obviously every Hoover comes with one of those, and like the standard little brush. I think every Hoover comes with one of those as well. Then I've got this bit which attaches onto here, and you can put the dog grooming brush on here, which it's fun and games, let me tell you. Trying to get them to stay still for it, but I think they've kind of warmed to it. So yeah, that's the Hoover, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you the different settings. So you get a low speed setting, a kind of like an automatic, and then a high suction. I tend to use the high suction the most, just because it picks up the dog hair really well. And yeah, I love it. And just to unattach the bin, you just squeeze the handles there, and then you just empty it into the dustbin. So it's so convenient. Thank you so much, Altenic, for sending me this. I absolutely love it. And it means I can get rid of my other Hoovers now, because this just does all the jobs. And you can tell it hardly takes up any space as well. So if you've got like a cleaning cupboard or like an airing cupboard, this would go in there really easy. So yeah, I love it. Don't want to be that zoomed in. My God, my chins. Right, I've got myself changed. I've just filmed a little video. I've done a little Shein video. It was so weird sitting down and filming that. It's amazing how out of practice you get. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here today, just because I'm gonna take a walk, head out with the dogs, have some lunch. Nothing exciting is happening. I just wanted to jump on and say kind of welcome back, I guess. If there's any of you left here, I hope you're gonna stick around. Please do, please don't leave me. And yeah, I've got, like I said, I've got a Shein haul coming up. If you've got any videos you want me to film, then do let me know, because I'm going to try and get back into it, back into the swing of sitting down 1 day a week and filming things. So if there's anything you do want to see, let me know. I know you guys like tattoo videos, but I haven't really got, I've only recently just filmed one, so my leg is still ongoing, haven't started anything new. Oh, I had a little, you've probably seen it on Instagram, but Paul did my ear in lockdown. Did my ear dots, so I don't know how well you can see that. I'll insert an image, but yeah, I really like those. It just adds a little bit of ear bling, doesn't it? I really want to get my ears sewn up from where they were stretched, but it's kind of having like a spare £1,000. If anybody knows where does it and does a really good job of it, that isn't too far from kind of like the West Midlands, let me know, because I am willing to travel. But yeah, they're just like baggy bum holes now. It just annoy me. And in every photo on Instagram, I just edit them out because I hate them. Like if I've got my hair tucked behind my ears and you can see through them, I always edit them, which is bad, isn't it? You shouldn't edit all your imperfections, but I just hate how they look. That's totally off topic. Anyway, I was trying to say goodbye. I'm gonna leave the vlog here. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, head out for a walk, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.